Hey, what's up? It's Lauren checking in for another edition of Weekly Roundup, Issue 5, and here's what we have in store for you. The top stories for news this week is President Obama's town hall meeting, where he met at the Miguel Contreras Center in downtown Los Angeles to talk about student loan issues and other crises affecting students currently during this year's recession. For more information, check out Sarah Knowles' article in this week's issue. In this week's Campus View question, we asked, is it fair for illegal students to have free tuition? And here's what one of you guys had to say.
It's not fair that they don't have to pay, but I still think they should be able to come to school. They should have to pay something though, because everyone else has to pay, so they should be able to pay something also. But I think they should be able to come to take classes. Because sometimes it's not their choice that they were brought here illegally. Different scenarios, different cases. So that's what I think. But they shouldn't have to pay something. They shouldn't come here for free.
In this week's Valley Life section, Salsa Santa Cruz, the Valley Life editor, hit up the Pita Kitchen located in Sherman Oaks on Ventura Boulevard. There she was able to try out some delicious pita sandwiches and the taste of the Arabic. And here are all the stats for this week's sports competitions.